Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a remote keypad for the SMV. The SMV has two types of remote keypad. The ESV ZXK1, which is used with SMV with a power rating below 15 horsepower, and the ESV ZXH0 for SMV 15 horsepower and above. You can see from the picture that this is because of the added control button for the higher horsepower models. The installation and programming of the two types are very similar, so for this video, I'm going to use the lower horsepower one as an example. For this SMV, there are two parts that you will have to install, the module and the keypad. Please wire the components using the schematics shown in this video. This can also be found in the Lenze remote keypad instruction manual. Use wires with a minimum of 300 volts jacket installation for the installation. The specified cables will consist of two twisted pairs, one for the power and the other for the serial communications. Make sure to not mix connections between twisted pairs. Be sure that you have the SMV powered off completely before plugging in the module to the SMV's communication port. Once you finish wiring, power the SMV on, and now we can start programming the drive for remote keypad communication. Scroll to parameters P400 and set the value to 01. Then set P100 to either 02 or 05. 02 will use the run button on the remote keypad to start the drive, while 05 will allow you to switch between the terminal strip and remote keypad using one of the TB13 digital inputs. If you want to control the speed using the remote keypad, be sure to set P101 to 00 as well. Please also install a jumper cable between 1 and 4 on the terminal strip in order to assert the start-stop command. You should now be able to use the remote keypad to run the SMV. As for the higher horsepower models, you'll find that you can just wire the keypad into the SMV directly without a module, since the SMV itself comes with the communication ports on the terminal strip. The parameters are similar as well. Instead of P400, you would change P600. And that's how you set up your SMV for remote keypad operation. Thank you for watching.